How do you do, ladies and gentlemen, and boys and girls, and teachers? Our special business today will be on the subject of waves and sound.
To make a sound, something has to vibrate, but it won't start to vibrate by itself. First, you have to hit it. Are you listening?
The nature of sound.
It's a pattern of vibrations.
The nature of sound.
Moving through the air to make music. Listen.
It's all a matter of vibration. You see the unifying thread.
Pulses put the eardrum into motion.
It's all a matter of vibration.
Music changes us, inspires and moves us.
Vibrations made into intricate designs.
Music connects us to ourselves and to others. Song lies at the core of life.
The rhythm of the music. The rhythm of the music.
Science in music.
The rhythm of the music.
Music changes us, inspires and moves us.
The rhythm of the music.
Reaches all of us and unites us.